Hi, Crafty Friends. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with a sneak peek of February 2026 Scrap Diva Designs release. I have 6 out of the 18 dies here, or there could be stamps. I just know that there's 18 pieces in the next release, and I have 6 that I will show you here today. These will be available February 5th on scrapdivadesigns.com. I will link anything I can down below. I do have an affiliate link, and if you use code CHEEKYBUM, you can save yourself 10% on your order. And we're going to get into it. When these are released, I will link everything down below, so it'll be easier for you to find. But for now, this is just a sneak peek, so I won't have the links down below until they are available. So we're going to get into it. So the first one is a house mini album. This is going to be so fun for like making little family albums. This is the spine, so it looks like it can get quite thick. This is like a 2-pager. So there's going to be some fun layering pieces for decorating the front of the house. I'm not sure if there's going to be pocket pieces or not. I have not opened anything yet. But this could be a lot of fun. Mini albums are so fun to make. You can make this into a card. You can make it into so many different things. So I love a good mini album because I find that they are very versatile for me. And I can use them in a lot of many ways other than mini albums. But for like family and stuff like that, I think this could be really cute, especially for spring. To make like little Easter albums and stuff like that. I think that this could be really cute. Again, this is the house mini album, and then this is a 2-pager, 2-parter. Next, we have the tier tray banner set. This is so cute. If you have the Scrap Diva tier tray, I do have one, so I'm gonna have to make. I haven't made it in a while. Make the tier tray and make the little banners to go with it. So you have the like traditional little triangle type of banner. You have more of like a pennant type of banner. And then these are little, I'm guessing like springtime umbrellas, which are so cute. You get the layering pieces. These are going to be fun to play with. I love little banners, like the little mini banner, the little 3-piece banner with the bows. That is one of my favorite dies. I've made that so many times, so love a good little banner die. And then we have some best friend words. These words are really cute. They have a really fun font, and there are 2 layering pieces, or 2 shadow pieces. You have a stitch shadow piece and then another shadow piece behind it. And these have besties, call me, best friend, friends, tea time, squad goals, bestie, and let's chat. So these are really fun. These will be great. I mean, we all have our little besties, and this will be great to do cards back and forth, Happy Meal, and so many other things. This is an envelope. This is the bow envelope. This is so cute. I'm so excited to play with this. So this little bow right here cuts so that this the top flap will tuck inside of the bow. That is adorable. I can't wait to play with this. Let me get you some measurements on this so that you know like what size card is going to fit inside of it. I think this is going to fit, oh, probably, it's not quite 4. It's about 4 1/4 by 3 1/2. So like a 4 by 3 1/2 card would be perfect for that, I think. This is really cute. So again, that's the bow envelope. This is a new bow. This is a triple bow, but look at the little wavy bow, they're not legs. The little bow tassels that hang down, bow parts, I don't know, but they're a little wavy, and it's stitched. This is going to be so fun to play with. I'm definitely going to be playing with this. I'll probably do a tutorial. I know bows can be difficult for people. Bows are usually not my favorite. I like a good flat bow because I'm not good at curling them, but this one looks like a good challenge, and I really love these little wavy bits. Those are cute. Again, that is a triple bow, and this is a 2-pager as well. And then this is the cutest thing. I'm so excited about these. These are seed bag envelope sets. So you get this little seed envelope, and then this other, the bigger pocket. It has a little heart, a ruffle on it. It has layering pieces. It's got your little like seed packet label. These are going to be so cute. I cannot wait to play with this. I think that you could put like a little note in here. You could probably put like a sequin mix in here. I think that this could be very versatile, and I love the little wavy uh, heart trim on the flap. It's giving me very Bridgerton vibes. And we have the tear stripe banners. I think that I'm going to have to make some Bridgerton stuff. I have a couple Bridgerton friends out there that also love Bridgerton. I've been in a Bridgerton swap before as well. So I love the spring dyes that come out because they give me a lot of Bridgerton fancy tea time vibes. So that is what I have. Those are the 6 dyes. I can't wait to see what's in the rest of the February drop, the February release. Make sure that you're following along with hashtag scrapdivadesigns so you can see what everybody makes with all these dyes, along with not only just the design team, but anybody else that uses the hashtag. So you can get inspiration. You can just see if you want to follow along, and also make sure you click on the link in the description bar and it will take you to Scrap Diva Designs, and you can see what all's available. She does flash sales often. Just so many things, so many good dyes out there, and I can't wait to dig in and start playing with these. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, these will be available February 5th. Bye guys.